Hey everybody, how you doing? This is going to be one in a series of videos I'm going to make on the TurnsPro motorized panning head with an emphasis on using it for a GoPro camera. I've had my TurnsPro for about a month now, and I really enjoy having the ability to add motion to my videos in time-lapse photography. All the videos in this series will be in a dedicated playlist. See in the description below to get to that playlist. Okay, here's how the TurnsPro comes to you. It's in a little cardboard tube, minimal packaging, kind of nice. But as you see here, I have my GoPro quick release mounted already and my tripod quick release mounted, and that doesn't fit in the cardboard tube very well. If you're like me, as a GoPro owner, you've tried several cases over the years. Right now I have two GoPro Hero Silvers, and I have a case that holds both of those. TurnsPro does not offer a case for the TurnsPro panning head just yet, and it doesn't fit in any of the Amazon cases. Or does it? This is the Amazon Basics Extra Small Single GoPro case. It's selling for about $11 right now. Now what you need to do is remove the foam, take that out. Here's my TurnsPro with the quick releases already mounted. It fits in there just perfectly. Look at that. Now when you close the lid, it won't close down quite all the way. There is a little bit of a gap, but if you gently pull around on the zipper, it clamshells down just perfectly and locks that TurnsPro right on in there. Okay, the TurnsPro is powered by 4 AA batteries. I get them in bulk on Amazon. I'll have a link in the description to these batteries, and some of those packages fit right inside there next to it. If you have the phone mount for the TurnsPro, you can put that in there too. Fits in there pretty good. Room for a little bit extra accessories, and it zips right up. Look at that. There you have a case for your TurnsPro.